Here's how to merge cells in Excel without losing data or breaking your spreadsheet.
I'm Ray, and let's fix it and do it together.
To merge cells, select all the different cells that you would like to combine. Here, from A1 to E1. Then go to the Home tab, and in the center in the Alignment category, click Merge and Center. Excel combines the selected cells to one cell. Let's go to another example where there are 3 different values in different cells. When I highlight all of them and up above and I click on Merge and Center, you'll notice how to get a warning message saying it only keeps the upper left value. I click on OK, it keeps the first cell contents and discards the others. By clicking Undo in the QAT or Ctrl Z, let's get back to the previous state. Continuing with Merge and Center icon, you'll notice that there is a drop-down arrow and has few different options. The first one was Merge and Center, which we just worked with it. The second one is called Merge Across, and this merges cells across each row individually instead of creating one large merged block. Well, let's see. Let's move to the next prepared sheet Merge drop-down. Right up on top, I want to merge and center each one of these rows. Now here, if I simply click on Merge and Center, it will just keep the top left value. And that's not what I like. So let's undo that by pressing Ctrl Z. Click on the drop down and you will have the option to merge across. When I click on that, it's now merged each one of these rows. However, it's not center aligned. So I simply select the 3 rows and easily select the center align button. Scrolling down a little bit more, there is another header for this sales report. I could highlight all of these cells. Click on the drop down and here I could easily merge the cells. This is similar to Merge and Center, but it just doesn't center it. It only merges and makes it left aligned. Of course, I could also take these merged cells and right up above. I could apply all of the different alignment tools. Now let's say you want to turn off the merging of the cells, or maybe you'd like to turn them back into the separate cells. Now right up on top, you could also click on these and you could simply click on this icon and that toggles off the merged cells.